Hello, my Food Manager explorers, and welcome back to WP Food Manager. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn together how to make dynamic food menu in WP Food Manager. So guys, if you are interested, let's without losing time, move forward to our tutorial. So guys, with the help of WP Food Manager plugin, you can create a dynamic food menu within several minutes. So let's go to our Food Manager dashboard, and on the sub-menu of Food Manager, we can find our menus. Let's go there. Here we can see that we don't have any food menu created currently, and now we're going to create a new food menu. For that, we are going to click on this Add New button. And first, we are going to set a name for our menu. Let's go, for example, with sweets. Then we are going to choose a menu icon. So we have several icons here, you can see. We can also search for our icon, but I'm going to choose this ice cream icon, I liked it. Then here we have select food section. So we can see that from here you can choose a food category. So we have created categories and we add food there, and so we are going to choose a category. Let's go with dessert, and it will list the foods that we have in that category. So chocolate chip, cookie, donuts, and etc. We can reorder our list just by drag and drop. So, and also we can just by clicking on this icon delete the food that we don't want to be included in the list. For example, I don't want strawberry milk to be included in this list. I'm going to just simply delete it like this. Then here you can see that you can choose a food type. So we have food types, and we added food to our food. We added food types. You can see that we have several food types here. So let's go, for example, with the bakings, and it will add our food that have a type bakings on them. So and also here we can reorder our food just by drag and drop. So also here at the bottom we have a food menu image, so we can set an image for our menu. Let's add an image together. So let's go with this, and also here we can see our image. Now we're going to click on publish, and let's preview our changes to see how it looks. So this is our menu. Here we can see we have the name of our menu. It was sweets. We have the featured image here. We have the icon, the foods that we included in that menu. So we have the name of our foods, the prices, the description here. And just by clicking on foods, let's go, for example, with donuts. We can see here the food detail page. So this is pretty much it, and I think this was so easy. So my dears, this was it for today's tutorial. This is how you can make a dynamic food menu with the help of WP Food Manager plugin. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you will have any questions concerning to our video or our product, you are free to ask them in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and also hit the notification bell. See you in the next tutorial.